shaking like a hound dog shitting peach pits, and you guys are laughing? I want to know more about it. What are we looking at here, huh? I want to know, what the hell is the bird flu? Am I going to wake up tomorrow morning with feathers coming out my ass? Oh, yeah. Am I going to start running around my apartment like a gay Aztec warrior? Jesus. What's gonna happen to Thanksgiving, huh? Am I gonna start stuffing the turkey with Theraflu? Too much shit, man. Too much shit's going on. That's the problem. I mean, what else I got on my plate now? $3 gas? $3 gas is kicking my ass. I mean, geez. Driving around town looking for gas stations I can still shit. You know what I mean? Yeah, I pull up the Chevron with my trunk open and I start loading all kinds of shit in there. Squeegees, paper towels. Flowers. If you're gonna do the flowers, bring a shovel. Right? One time I got so pissed off, I stole the squeegee juice. Okay? Yeah. You guys should come over to my house and check out my garage. Got 1,300 squeegees, 20 gallons of squeegee juice, and a pallet full of blue paper towels. I'm wiping my ass with those towels now. I don't know, man. It's just, it's crazy out here. Everything's going up. You know? Not just gas. I mean, shit, I bought some milk and a loaf of bread the other day and I got ass raped. Okay? Because these corporations are trying to squeeze every damn dime out of us, man. There's only one company out there that I trust, and that's Allstate. Allstate?
Yeah.
Because they tell it how it is. I don't know who that black guy is. When he talks, I listen. Okay? He's usually at some intersection and he says, one of these days, you're going to be driving down a road like this. You're going to reach down for your coffee. And when you look up, you're dead, bitch. That. What the hell's Geico showing me? Nothing. You think that shit's funny, Geico? The freaking lizard doing the robot? Was it funny when I rolled my Geo Metro in the parking lot at Chuck E. Cheese? No, was it? I lost a lot of hair in that accident, Geico. Yeah. I had to have a plastic surgeon grab 5,000 hair plugs from my ass into my head. The doctor said I was lucky because I had so much ass hair, they were able to cover my entire head in ass hair. You know what? That doctor was right. I am lucky. Good night.
But when it's election day, I'm writing in Joe Dig. I want a man who speaks for me.